What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It's finally race weekend again, not Cars Tour, not my street stock series. It's time to bring Bittersweet back to the racetrack. So it is Friday evening right now. It's the eve of the South Carolina 400, 250 laps for the late models, 50 laps for the mini stocks, 50 laps for the street stocks. Then there's two 25-lap. Late model last chance race makes up 400 laps tomorrow at Florence Motor Speedway. So what we got to do now, me and Fred, about to hop in and make the trip to Easley, South Carolina, up to Tyler's shop where we got to load Bittersweet up. I'll give you an update, let you see how good a job he did on putting the front clip in, new interior in it. He went to Dillon Speedway a few weeks ago, broke an axle bearing in practice, was not able to race. So there was no video there, so you didn't miss nothing because I was at Caraway finishing up my Cars Tour commitments. But with all that said, I'll try to fill you in. If you got any questions, I know it's been a second. But got any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them in the comments. But other than that, let's get rolling. We're riding in Fred's truck because I'll show you why shortly when we're riding in Fred's truck. As many of you are already aggravated by the time change, we are as well. It ain't but 5:35 and you already need headlights in Fred's Ford. Get out of the neighborhood, get over there to the interstate. Hopefully traffic ain't too bad, get on up to Easley. And as it's only raining on the road we live on, as Fred said, it ain't supposed to rain all weekend, supposed to be a pretty weekend. Grab a gear and let Fred do a little bit of that 85 on 85. Hell, Fred does about 105 on 85. Yeah, he got a good windshield wiper over there. I know it's mighty blurry over here. I know y'all see it, look at there. That side's good. We gotta have race tire money. So much for the rain was supposed to stop. It has rained all the way up here, right outside Greenville, South Carolina. Fred ain't had too much road rage. We hung one truck or a bird, but hell, he deserved it. But about 5 more minutes, we'll be to the race shop, get this thing loaded up, get all our tools put in there, make sure we got everything we need for tomorrow. And just like that, we finally made it to the race shop. Old nasty pouring rain here in Easley, South Carolina. Let's get on in here and show you Bittersweet 2.0. Before we give you a peek at it, we gotta bust this decal on there. Taylor Satterfield helping us out next 2 weeks. We had this one left over from a long time ago. Get her lined up right for you. Straight. Straight enough for government work. Splits right there on the cow. Use this wallet Jessica got me off of TikTok. Probably will not use it too much. I won't bend it. It's the only squeegee I got. And there it is. Accidentally, that was just one we had left over. That blue almost matches. Heck, it might match. Like I said, we've had that decal just laying in the shop for a long time. Ain't much, but too much long. We have a new crew member. Tyler expecting a new son. And here go. Maverick, you have a big brother for long. Or no, you won't. Wait a minute, little brother. I'll get it right in a minute. Yeah, right here. Baby Jet.
Baby Jet, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna make him cookie.
Brother. Whoa.
You ain't gonna be mean to him, are you?
No.
We're gonna be the honorary cookie.
No.
You gotta finish putting some rear end grease in it. Be time to jack her down and get her loaded up. Then I'll show you all the info. Well, I'll go ahead and show you the dash now. That dash in there.
And then the guy that did our blue t-shirt, our blue.
Many of you remember, it wasn't that nice. Go ahead and pump some in and top it off. We'll be ready to go. Well, I got that done. She's filled up, ready to go. We'll go ahead and finish up what we need to finish. Do what?
What size is that little tar going? Right?
It don't matter as long as it's on the front, right side, left side. Well, fit in the trailer. Tyler's out back now. Oh yeah, truck I bought. Transmission went out in it. So we put the transmission in it. Little Black, worse than Big White. Had it 45 days. Transmission went out. If y'all remember the old dash, it was pretty basic. Tyler went fancy on the sheet metal here. Or fancy to me. He's right out the back of the shop here, right out the back door, getting that trailer hooked up. It pulled around. That dang rain still ain't stopped with none of a drop of it on the Doppler radar. I hadn't told y'all, but Tyler's gonna be driving tomorrow because when he went to Dillon a few weeks ago and I was at the car store race, axle bearing broke like I said earlier. I didn't feel like he got a fair shake for all the work he done by putting the front clip on this thing. So I get around Florence great. Not a big fan of the track as a driver, but he's never raced there and I want him to race it. Feel like we got a great piece. If we got anything left, we'll go to Southern National next weekend. We'll be racing for the Thanksgiving Classic and then we're taking off. I've been at the racetrack almost 40 weekends this year. Very blessed, very excited, but ready for a break. It's almost New Year's bash time too. Fred clinging and pinging over there.
Down to a burning ring of fire.
Here you, Johnny Cash. Or the axle bearing broke, went out, whatever you want to call it. Axle broke at Dillon. All the rear end grease leaked out on the way back. We still hadn't cleaned it up, so that's what we're going to do now. Spray the brake cleaner, Fred, or you can use some of this rain falling.
No. But it's worse than Al's shit on a Tuesday.
A little slicker, didn't it?
On a Tuesday. Slicker than snot.
Our skating rink's out back. It's Friday night, you go do the skating. Finish it up with the Hey Dudes. Hey Dude, we're cleaning the back of the trailer. In case I didn't say it before, I hate time change. Or at least when we fall back to 7:05, feels like 12:05. Everybody's still going to supper. Let there be light.
Damn.
What happened? Get some ain't Saturday, is it? Ain't time for the shower.
I take one in the morning. I don't take one in the morning.
All our buddies up north wanting us to come up there and race. We got some 7-inch wheels or 8-inch wheels. We come up there, it's crazy. Them 10-inches look good on there, and them little skinny tires are, hell, they're just that skinny. Get this thing jacked up, jacked down, get it in the trailer. Get it up. One more time. A little bit higher. All right, Bittersweet 2.0 on the ground. And I just got to push it in there. I ain't got a winch in the enclosed yet, so got to push it the old-fashioned way. Hunting and grunting. Yeah, you can see if Santa Claus bring you one for Christmas. Poor little truck over there. Didn't even get 3,000 miles out of it. All right, Fred, time to put this in there.
Put some ass into it, Fred.
Put some good ass into it.
I ain't got much to put into it.
You ain't got none. You need to eat more. You need to eat more cheeseburgers. I got my Hey Dudes on. They're gonna be Hey Slides.
What's the fender over
What's the
there?
fender over there? Huh, here we go. Tuck your fender brace in. Got your New York State 7-inch wheel on there. Well, we don't catch it on the side. Put it back on when we get there tomorrow. Oh, don't fall. Fred got it, but me and Tyler just sitting here watching the flow racing, talking about how cool it was to watch Kyle Busch's son, who won the pole by I think it was 4/10 in Bandoleros, and then we was watching Keelan Harvick in Legends, talking about Kevin Harvick and Kyle Busch, and their kids are coming up, headed to the Cup Series, but right now they're racing at the same tracks we are, so thought that's kind of cool. But in between trying to get this thing loaded, we've been watching night 1 of Florence, where we were racing night 2 of Florence.
Back it up.
Back it up. And just like that, she's in while Fred does the dance. Still raining. Weatherman lied like hell. Take this other gear just in case we ain't got enough. Put the 543 in it, and it's the 567. One that's in it's got a mini spool. And here's the locker. Put it in the milk crate over there and go carry it with us. Fred, I'm glad we ain't on our open trailer. We'll be getting a little wetty. My torque converter went bad in my Chevrolet, in my Silverado. And the pump went bad in it. So it's at the transmission shop now. Getting all that. Me and Tyler gonna put it back in Sunday so I can have a way of going again. All right, think we got everything. Fred, we got everything?
We'll find out tomorrow.
What's the success tomorrow? Finish all 50 laps? One piece?
Bring it back like it is. That's success.
That's the success. You don't care if we run 10th or 1st?
No.
You don't give it as long as you have fun.
Yep. As long as it has one.
He done a lot of work to get the thing back together. Top-notch fabricator. I know I didn't get y'all a good look under the hood. Watch the race day video and you'll get plenty of looks under the hood. Oh, Fred, we got the tail light out up there.
Yes. It's alright, we're in South Carolina. Hell, they ride without helmets up here, so I mean...
Make no sense. You get a seatbelt ticket up here, but ain't nobody got to wear helmets in the state of South Carolina on their motorcycles.
Blind justice, I guess.
Blind leading the blind. Good night, sweetheart. Time to go. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. Everything is loaded up and ready to go. So watch tomorrow night on Flow Racing, or tonight. You should see this video in the early morning or at lunchtime. So if you're eating lunch watching us, let us know what you're eating for lunch. So me and Fred will be having a cheeseburger after qualifying tomorrow. So gonna be a long time after our race. 250 lap late model race tomorrow night. Dale Jr.'s racing, Landon Huffman's racing. So be a good time. All my car store buddies, but we focused on getting first place in the street stock race. You know, we just want to hold our finger up. Been a long time for the both of us. So other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. We gotta go because we plan on leaving from here at 6 o'clock, which means I gotta leave Jefferson, Georgia about 4:30, so we can be over there early to get us in the line and get tires. So already told you, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.